Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this tutorial series, we will talk about connected assets. Some people also call this as remote dam. This feature we are trying to enable and utilize on AEM as a cloud service. So let's see what we are going to cover in this overall series. We will talk about what is the connected asset, why and where to use this, the architecture, how we can configure and implement it, and how we can utilize this on sites. As well as we are having one more additional topic, but that is not associated with cloud environment. But in case if you want to utilize the same feature on Adobe Managed Services environment, in that case, you need to know the enabling of SSL on AEM. So if you like to understand this last topic, feel free to drop me your points on the comment box and I will help you out to provide a video tutorial how you can enable the SSL and can implement with connected assets. First of all, thanks for everyone for growing my channel and who has subscribed my channel so far. But I also noticed around 88% watchers are still not subscribed on my channel. So I would like to request them if they can subscribe my channel so they will get all the time the latest videos and the notifications. So I would request to just hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and like my channel. Let's move our agenda. So let's talk about what is the connected assets. And keep in mind, we are just considering AEM as a cloud service. So when we are talking about connected asset, it means we are going to provide a centralized system to all of the asset authors. However, our site authors can utilize those assets. In that scenario, we will have two different AEM servers. One is for asset, another could be sites. In terms of sites, we could have more than one AEM site instances. However, we should have single asset instance. So if we are having a configuration something like that on the infrastructure level, it means we are ready to use the connected asset. When we are talking about connected asset, it is providing us to do all the authoring related work only on the asset environment where you can upload, delete, align your metadata, do some changes, generate different renditions, can connect with different products on asset instance. In the asset instance, when you are uploading and managing your assets and you would like to use the same asset with multiple site instances, in that case, no need to do any kind of synchronization because that is the beauty of connected asset. Your author can easily traverse, search, and find out the better result from the asset instance and can use it on the site. While doing all these kind of operations, your site authors can not communicate with the asset author because asset author are doing their own work on a separate instance and your site authors are doing different operations on site instances. In that case, we just need to do a single time configuration, which will help to give a bridge between sites and auth DAM instance. So all the asset can easily traversable and searchable. A part of that, we can also connect with dynamic media in order to do different feature or to enabling multiple different features on the assets. And that could also be leveraged via connected asset, and you will get all the features that you can generally use with dynamic media. Those will be available on your sites as well. So that is all about the connected asset. What is the connected asset? The next video will be on why and where to use the connected asset. So you will know about the use cases, or might be different use cases, so you can opt this option and can leverage this feature. If you have any open question, feel free to drop me comments so I can revert with your whatever open questions you are having, and feel free to subscribe and like my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.